Okay, hello and welcome everyone. Today is 3rd of November and this is a Metal3 Community meeting. Just a reminder that this meeting is being recorded and posted later to Metal3 YouTube channel. If you have any items that you want to discuss, then please go ahead and add it to the agenda. Also, please add your names in the attendees list. I will share the link in the chat if someone is missing. Okay. So, yeah, all right. As usual, we can start with the introduction round. If someone new on the call or didn't have a chance previously to introduce themselves, then please go ahead and give us a bit introduction about yourself, and I'll mute my microphone for a second. Okay, I think we can go ahead with the agenda. The first item is the PR review request. I just saw it on the Slack channel, but the owner of the PR, I think, cannot make it to the meeting. So they were requesting for the review. I'll quickly open the PR. It's in BMO. Yes. So whoever was involved or like someone is interested, please go ahead and review this if you have time. Yep. Are there any questions on this PR maybe, or we can go ahead with the next item? Okay, we can go ahead with this next thing. So the PROW update, you must be aware the PROW recently got flaky. So on our side, we are trying to different things basically. The first thing we did, we completely took down the old PROW and then redeployed a new one. But we are seeing the same issue that we were seeing previously. So basically, maybe I'll show one example somewhere in one of the repos, maybe. Um, there was a PR, maybe this one. Oops, sorry. It's not showing for some reason. Yeah, I'll take this. Yeah, the error we are getting is something like this. So basically, it's complaining that it cannot fetch the tags properly from the repo, and it just errors with couldn't find the resolve the host, which does exist if you go to the repo. So we initially thought that this is a branching issue because recently we renamed we renamed the master branch in some repositories like capm3 and IP address manager, but this error is happening in all repos across the Metal3 organization. So we are not sure yet what's causing it, and the redeploying, as I mentioned, didn't help. So you might see some issues with OPRs, like it will not trigger some jobs, or even maybe some labels might not work. but we'll catch up on the Slack once we have a news. Hopefully we can get rid of this soon. Yeah, and that's the update on the PRAO side, and I see no items on the agenda. If you have actually the questions on the PRAO, you can reach us or the Slack, or any questions can be. Yeah, we can discuss if you have any questions, or you can reach us on the Slack. Okay, if not, I don't see any items on the agenda. Before closing the meeting, just ask once again, do we have any new item that you still want to bring up and then discuss today?
So I see the CNCF review went up, but there's been no response from their side.
Yeah, I tried to tag. There is one person who is putting some labels on those PRs and probably taking those reviews to CNCF triage meeting. I tagged specifically one person, but I remember from the email that deadline was 10th of November, so maybe that's the day when they will come to that PR and act on it. I actually even emailed a person who reached us specifically just to give them the update that they have submitted it. Yeah, and yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
But yeah, let's see if we've done our part.
Yeah.
Time.
Okay, that's fine then. Thanks.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, it seems it doesn't have any review yet, but hopefully we'll get soon. Okay, are there anything more that you would like to discuss today? Okay, if not, then we can close the meeting for today. Thank you everyone for joining, and have a nice rest of the day.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks.